Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Logical Programming. So in this video lecture, I'm gonna teach you how can we open a notepad using C language code. So first of all, I'm using Dev C++ IDE. Uh, So in this file, we're gonna code. So first include an library, include std.lib.h, and in main function write system, and in system parenthesis give a string as an argument. So I'm gonna write here notepad. Just simply you need to include this library and write this code system, and in this double quotes notepad, and let's run this. So here you can see the notepad is opened. So if you like this video, please like it and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.